Oh my days. Shit, I wish I could have timed that. Whoa, shit. How you doing, guys? Today we've got a Golf R in for our Stage 2 tuning package. This car's already been in for our Stage 1 engine and gearbox software. Literally, he's only had it done about a month ago. He's bought it back already and said, look, just max out the power on it. He's only bought the car literally a couple of months ago as well. So he wants the max performance out of it without going too crazy. But so effectively what we're doing on it is a full decat. We've already fitted the resonator delete. We're fitting a ram area induction kit. So look, let me just show you. So yeah, this has got the ram area induction kit. So I've got this fitted to my own car as well. And we've also fitted the turbo elbow. Look, let me just show you. Yeah. So look, this is the old turbo elbow. It's quite restricted. The flow is literally very restricted on that, if you can see that. And then this is the old pipe. This is one of the old hoses that goes straight to the turbo elbow. But this is quite restrictive, and you can just see. That's all a bit flimsy. See, with the silicone hose, there's no play in it, literally. The air shoots straight into the turbo. And obviously we've taken out the old cat and we fitted our stainless steel pipe into it. Power-wise, we're going to be looking to get over 400 brake horsepower. We're about to tune the gearbox Stage 2 today as well, so engine and gearbox. So literally we just finished fitting the mods, and once that Seat Leon, that's also coming for some power runs. I don't think he's too happy with the remap, but we're going to do something for him. We're going to get on the dyno, max out the power, and hopefully we'll get the car back to the customer. This has only literally come in yesterday afternoon. We've already got all the mods fitted to it, and now it's just about tuning it up and getting the best power out of it. We're going to do the Stage 2 remap, cat delete, pops and bangs, and the Stage 2 gearbox software. So it'll make a big difference. Some mad launches, yeah? So obviously we'll make a video as well. We'll show you what the car sounds like after with the decat and a resonator delete. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. So guys, we've just taken the Golf on a road test, just checked it's all okay, everything's spot on. The throttle response on it, even before the Stage 2 that we're going to do on it, is very good. Turbo elbow has obviously been fitted, and the decat, which is going to make a difference. We're just going to run the car on the dyno now to see what it's pushing with the mods, compare it from last time when we put it on the dyno to now. And then once we've done that, we're going to start tuning it up. Stage 2 power, we're going to get it over 400, over 500 newtons of torque. This car is going to be mental. Just another note on the Golf Rs and S3s. We've recently just serviced the Haldex on this. The filter in the Haldex, it's not exactly a filter, but it's like a plastic mesh. They generally tend to get blocked up over a while and become like, it's got all a bit of dirt on it. If you scroll down on our Instagram page, you'll see a picture from the last time. But it's always basically good to service the Haldex on these, the oil and just cleaning out the filter. So if you guys ever need to get that done, just let us know. We can sort that out for you as well. Yo guys, so we've got the car off the dyno. We managed to get wicked power out of it. Yeah, look, just come and take a look at this though, yeah? The engine bay looks so much better with this induction kit, and it sounds wicked, yeah? So we've just got it off the dyno. The car is pushing 410 brake horsepower and 520 newton meters of torque, yeah? We can get these cars Stage 1 comfortably to around 360 horsepower, yeah? Even 360 to 380 horsepower. Obviously now this has got the decat fitted, it's got the induction kit fitted, yeah? It's running big boy power, yeah? And it sounds bad as well, yeah? So look, yeah, I'm just gonna rev it up here, yeah? Just even... It's not popping right now because I don't have it in race mode, but the exhaust is just so much louder, exactly how we wanted it. But yeah, now this is a lovely car, man. It's all blacked out. I'm gonna go on a road test with the customer in a bit as well. But yeah, now we're happy with the power figures. We managed to get 410 and 520 newton meters of torque, which is big power, big power. Engine and gearbox all tuned up safely, all done on the dyno. We've carried out all the data logs that need to be done. So yeah, we're just gonna take on a road test now. How you doing, guys? So I'm just in the Golf R now. I'm about to take you on a road test. Let's see how it's running. So we're just going to take it up the road, only literally 2 miles up the road. Just make sure it's all running good, which 100% it will be anyway. We thoroughly tested it on the dyno. Yeah, those pops sound good. Oh my days. Oh my days. This is fast. Whoa. Whoa. I hope you can hear those gunshots. You know what the thing I love about Golf R's S3s, RS3s even, yeah? Wicked brakes. Absolutely wicked brakes. You know what? This car, yeah, is rapid. You know, I just love the sound of these Golf R's, man. This has got, so as soon as you let go of the accelerator, literally it is popping and crackling. But the good thing is it doesn't do it in comfort mode. I know the B58s are good, the M140Rs are good, the RS3s are good. I know they're good, I know they're fast. But for a Golf, for what this car is, yeah, and for the price range that you could get these cars for, this is an all-in-one. It's literally instant throttle response. And that is what I love. And you know what? The turbo elbow, that's where it makes that big difference. Oh my days. Shit, I wish I could have timed that. Whoa, shit. Do you know what? The rear end, yeah, the rear end was kicking just there. The rear end was kicking. The launches we done last time, it wasn't like that. So, yeah, cool. But yeah, Golf R's, S3s, RS3s, any pocket rockets, bring them down. Let's see what we can get. We will give you, as I always mention, we will give you real power figures, yeah? We don't just give you figures to dazzle you. We will give you the printouts before and after. We will data log it. We will do all the best checks that we can on it. But yeah, now guys, if you have any questions about your car, the sort of power gains we could get, the mods that we could do, just get in contact. Just let us know. We're only a phone call away or a message away on Instagram, Facebook. There's many ways to contact us. But guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, like I said, do get in contact. But yeah, hopefully we'll see all you guys soon.